Welcome to our tutorial on how to book your vacation on Virginia Beach, Virginia through a renowned website. The website will be called bookvip.com. We give it 100 stars out of 100 best. So what you're looking at is the Virginia Beach uh, shorefront, and now we're taking you to the evening scene. The price packages start at $149, and it's for 3 days and 2 nights for 4 people at world-class hotels. And we're going to show you more of this website where you can really book almost anywhere in the United States. They have different packages, and you're going to see other details of promotions. So let's get started now. Have fun. Welcome back, my friends, to your tutorial. Thank you for choosing our tutorial on how to book a trip to Virginia Beach, Virginia in the United States of America. And remember, we always try to bring you the best deals. We're going to show you bookvip.com in this tutorial how to get to this website and how to book your trip, because the people get lost and they cannot find the best price and packages. So let's go to google.com. So going to google.com, we're going to go first to bookvip.com, and it's going to bring you right here, my friends. And this is the first package, and that package is the cheapest vacation package in, I would say, in the world. So we're going to go to Virginia, and when you start typing, you'll get there. It's right here, Virginia Beach, Virginia. Hit search. One of the most amazing trips in the world. Okay, so Virginia Beach, Virginia has on this website a couple of hotels, as you can see. So it has 2 hotels. One price is for $149 for 3 days and 2 nights in a 1-bedroom condo that sleeps full. It has an entire kitchenette, just like a living room, and like a small apartment basically. The other one is the same price, so you get 2 different hotels. This is the Ocean Key Resort, and we're going to show you the difference in each hotel. Each hotel is telling you can reserve the date, book it for $39, and click on the view deal to purchase it later on. So remember, the $39 is just to reserve your date. Alright, so let's look at Discover More. Discover More basically tells you the fantastic amenities, meaning the luxurious things you'll find. I'm going to tell you this right now. If you go to this hotel's website, personally, without going to bookvip.com, you're not going to get this vacation deal. People always ask that. In this tutorial, we want you to know these vacation deals are with this vacation partner. These hotels have paid bookvip.com, or maybe owned by this company. We don't know that for sure, but we definitely know they're partners in giving you this type of package. So here it is for $149, 3 days, 2 nights in a 1-bedroom. That's 4 people. That's the flat rate. Flat rate. Okay, so what does that mean? We're going to show you all that. Flat rate means right here, it's the entire trip is booked for this amount. So when you get there, you don't pay anything else. What do they include? They have great vouchers. So they give you a $300 cash back through this website, so you can come back and book another trip for up to $300. So $300, remember, this is for $149. So basically, you could and this is a pop-up, I'm going to take it off, book this trip and 2 others for free. That's the credit voucher, a gift to you. That's why I give this website 100% in my tutorial. Again, it's for 4 people, 3 days and 2 nights, luxury, kitchen, and ocean front, my friends. You're right on the beach. So how do you buy this trip? So you just click reserve it right now, and it'll tell you when the sale ends. Generally, it's year-round, Monday through Friday, Saturday, Sunday, anytime, even the opportunity, unless they specify it, available to summer, winter, breaks, and what is known as the popular time of New Year's Eve, uh, Christmas, Valentine's Day, just almost all the time this deal is available. But there's some time you'll find that there is the availability of a no booking because of blackout days, which means they have been booked. So this is a beautiful hotel, and it's oceanfront. See, it's just a mini little apartment, and you're just gonna feel so at home. It's to just really, really, really like world class, you know. And sorry, we right clicked on that, but we'll keep on going. In my tutorials, I keep everything natural. So if something pops up and starts talking, or there's a pop-up, like this is a pop-up to their Cancun, Mexico trip for $4.99, that's fine. And I'm going to show you what they're saying right now. I'm going to unmute this, okay? This is a video diary that they have. I'm going to mute it and listen to it.
Our top deal of the week is located in world-famous Cabo San Lucas. At $4.99 per couple, including all meals and drinks, dates are limited, so visit bookvip.com to book today.
We would like to thank you for considering bookvip.com for your next vacation. Bookvip.com has an A rating with the Better Business Bureau and has exclusive, all-inclusive vacation deals that you won't find on any other travel website. Our friendly, award-winning customer service staff is available 24 hours per day, before, during, and after your trip. Our goal is your complete satisfaction. At bookvip.com, it's what our customers say that matters.
We're at the Villa de Palmar Resort here in Cabo San Lucas, and we wanted to thank bookvip.com for this amazing deal. It looked like it was too good to be true with the all-inclusive, but it has been...
So I'm going to mute it now and you can go through it. In this tutorial, I'm showing you that they have a lot of YouTube reviews for you, but a lot of people get here and they get lost on how to buy these deals. Just hit the reserve button on what we just showed you on the price package. The package is right here. This is exactly what you're buying for that price. I'm going to go back and show you. If you go here, it's this very same thing. Remember, you have to click on the view deal and make sure you are getting that price. I'm going to show you this other topic in a minute where you're going to see multiple prices and why you should always click on the view deal to reserve your key getaway. Okay, so let's click on Ocean Key Resorts and see what they're giving. They give us...
Book VIP did a great job of giving us an accurate representation of what the resort was going to be.
Mute this. Remember, I do not edit anything out. So this is what happens when you get to this website. It'll start talking because they want you to stay on this website. So no problem. So they are accredited with Business Bureau. What are they saying? They're just saying choose them, basically. We're going to go back up, and sorry about that, but we leave our tutorials unedited because it should be as natural as the process you see. If I edit everything out, you're going to get lost. So this is the Ocean Key Resort that you're seeing. Each hotel is very beautiful, and it looks like a little home, doesn't it? Refrigerator, you know, you even have washer and dryer in most of these locations, and right on the ocean, Virginia Beach. There is no hotel out there that can give you this vacation deal. And that's why we offer this tutorial. So we're going to go back up. And remember, you get a credit in these Virginia Beach hotels. You can book 2 other vacations, for up to $300. And I'm going to show you. If it has a credit of $300, I'm going to show you can book another one at Virginia Beach, $149 plus. So $300 is your credit, right here. After you book this one, then you can go to bookvip.com, and I'm going to show you. Scroll down, and you can book the Orlando, Florida, or Las Vegas, because it starts from $99 and $59. And let me show you the Las Vegas. So the Las Vegas one, this is my favorite, Westgate, $99 for 4 people again for 4 days and 3 nights, and get $100 worth of gaming chips for their casino. And so I'm just going to click on this and show you. And remember to mute their videos right here. I scroll down really fast so you don't hear that. But I'm just showing you this Las Vegas one. See how spectacular it is? So you just booked around 2 free if you just purchase, and I'm going to go back, the trip that you were looking at to the Virginia Beach because of this $300 Book VIP credit. That is why, wow, my friends, you should subscribe, like, and share our tutorial so you will stay in tune with what we're saying and how to review each vacation website. We're going to start doing this for what is known as airplanes and travel, car rental internationally and locally to different countries. But you see what we're saying. A lot of people don't know how to work this website, so we made a tutorial. And it's such a great website for $149 at this beautiful hotel, Ocean Key. As we said, you can go and look at the hotel descriptions, what bedroom, what do they have. Make sure what you see is what you get, okay? And read the amenities. It has a fitness center, jacuzzi, hot tub, so on and so forth. It's just great. Let me go up again and move back. So where did we find this deal? We're going to go back up, and we advertised for the $149, 3 days, 2 nights for 4 people. Virginia Beach location, on the beach. Just wow. And it's 1 block away from Broadway. These deals are too good to pass up, and you should share, subscribe, and like on your Facebook to our YouTube so you know how to actually maneuver through it. And if you want all-inclusive vacation, meaning all food, meals are free, you can click on this one. If you want a family vacation, you can click on these icons and really study this vacationing website. How did we get here? BookVIP.com. Where did you want it to go? You wanted to go to Virginia Beach, United States, and hit search. Just remember, you are as good as this tutorial. And BookVIP.com is the place we generally find local deals. I'm going to show you another package. This is Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. This is a paradise. So see, these American trips that are in Mexico. So let's say we're flying from America, because this is in dollars. You can reserve this anywhere. If you're not even in America, that's fine. But just remember, Mexico is a different country, and you're going to get all the meals, foods, and drinks for an entire trip. Unlimited snacks, everything. 6 days, 5 nights. And here's a pop-up. So sorry about the pop-up, but we got to keep everything very unedited. So we're going to go bookvip.com again. That was a pop-up. So we're going to go back down. No problem. Okay? So we're just going to pick another hotel. So this one was, let's go to this one, because I don't edit anything. So in this hotel, you get $5.99 unlimited meals and drinks and alcohol. And basically, you get up to $500 back cash, okay, at this hotel. And then you get $300 to the Book VIP again, to this location. So, and remember, what you see is what you get. Just remember to look at our tutorials. You need to read everything on this little disclaimer and then reserve it. And remember, you have to see everything. So if I want to go to Cancun, Mexico, I'm going to show you Cancun, Mexico. There are going to be multiple hotels, and I'm going to show you how many. So this is one, and see how many deals they have. Just remember, you're looking at a specific deal. For $5.99, they have 2 adults and 2 children free that are under the age of 16. And in this case, as I said, they have select travel dates. On this deal, they have no select travel dates. So you have to go through our tutorial to make sure you understand the language of what you're booking. Okay? If you click on this, you're going to book this deal. If you click on the view deal here, you're going to book this deal. If you just go from here, the first resort, then you're going to click the first deal, which is this one. So we're going to go back. I know you understand everything. You did a very good job of listening to us. We hope you understand how you go to the Virginia Beach, United States vacation package from here. And you know this now. So the best place to have your tutorials through us. Subscribe, share, and like. And you keep what is known as all these vacation companies in business. And because of that, you also keep our review and subscriptions to our tutorial in business. We thank you for your time. We thank you for your attention to the most popular vacation deals around the world. Have a good trip and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.